Welcome back to more information about text structure. This video is showing comparing and contrasting information, which really should be a review. You just have to remember what the vocabulary means, so let's get moving. When you compare and contrast, here are some examples. Tell how two movies, characters, books, etc. are alike and different. The next idea, how are the skills needed to do blank and blank alike? Different. We're going to brainstorm an idea here, and what I'd like you to do in your notes is copy down this chart, and I would like for you to fill in the boxes. So you're going to take a look at subject A, which is an orange, describe its shape, color, taste. And subject B, again, you're going to describe its shape, its color, and its taste. Once you have done that, I would like you to write a sentence that compares the two, and then a sentence that contrasts the two. So pause the video and give that a try. So now that you're back, hopefully you followed the directions and wrote your two sentences. Let's talk about expository structure, compare and contrast, and we're going to define it. Again, this is nothing new, but it is similarities or comparisons and differences or contrasts that are presented and discussed in a text. When you're reading and you think it's compare and contrast essay, you should be asking yourself what qualities of each thing correspond to one another, or what are similar and different qualities of these things. There are lots of signal words when you're reading, or as we like to call them in writing, transition words, although, as well as opposed to, with, different from, either, or, even though, however, on the other hand, instead of, in common, similar to, similarly, likewise, still, and etc. These words should be familiar from what we've done with writing. Some of these words show comparison, some show contrast. If we read this sentence, we want to pay attention to whether or not there's a comparison or a contrast made. Golden eagles are more apt to hunt for prey, while bald eagles are more likely to take an easy meal. Notice that the signal word or transition word while is used. Now, does that show that it's a comparison, or is that a contrasting statement? Think about it. Write it in your notes. Well, hopefully you said that it shows contrast, because while is a contrasting word, and we're looking at the fact that golden eagles hunt and bald eagles take an easy meal. That just means they are scavengers. Alright, now that you've watched the video and you've taken some notes, it is time to come see me and get the passage Time to Think and answer the questions related to the text. Thank you very much.